You like strawberry, peach, vodka, lemonade, chill of summer in the shade, strange music swelling down the staircase, echo in the hallway when I see your face. I don't need sleep, just to fix some nicotine, keep me up like caffeine, technicolor television, daydream, making me crazy when you say anything. I'm blinded by the haze, baby. No, I'm not alright.
Let's crochet the motif. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The foundation chain is ready. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. The ring is ready, and let's crochet a round of single crochet. Make a chain, make 12 single crochet into the ring, and while making the single crochet I will remove the long piece of yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. I have done a round of single crochet stitches. I skip the first chain stitch, insert the hook into the first single crochet, make slip stitch. The round is ready. Let's crochet round 2. Then I'm going to work with double crochet and a chain. Instead of first double crochet, I make a chain of 3, then continue, then chain more, yarn over the hook, and double crochet into the next stitch, chain, and double crochet into the next stitch, chain, and double crochet into the next stitch, chain, and double crochet into the next stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to finish this round together. Let's complete this round together. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch, make a slip stitch. Round 2 is ready. Let's crochet round 3. For this, make a chain of 3 instead of first double crochet, then chain of 3 for the chain space, then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the double crochet, make double crochet, then chain of 3 and double crochet into the double crochet, chain of 3 and double crochet into the double crochet, chain of 3, and so on. Then continue working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you what we will do next. Let's finish round 3 together. After I chain the last one, insert the hook into the third chain stitch and make a slip stitch. My round 3 is ready. Let's crochet round 4. Insert the hook into the slip stitch, make a slip stitch, then chain more, work into the chain space, make single crochet into the chain space, then chain of 3 and single crochet into the next chain space, chain of 3 and single crochet into the next chain space, chain of 3 and single crochet into the next chain space. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. Let's crochet around 4. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. I didn't use a chain. My round 4 is done. Let's crochet round 5. It is going to be a round of complex stitches. Work into the chain space, make a slip stitch. Let's crochet the complex stitch. Make a chain of 6 for the first complex stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then yarn over the hook 4 times. I hold all loops with my finger. Insert the hook into the chain space. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have got 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the same chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. Now I have 3 loops on the hook. Then yarn over the hook twice, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Then yarn over the hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop, pull through first loop, like this. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 3, 4, and 5. Well done. So my complex stitch is ready. Then make chain of 7 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I'm going to work with complex stitch into this chain space. Yarn over the hook 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hold all loops with my finger. Pull up a loop. Pull through 2 loops 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over the hook 4 times, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then yarn over the hook 3 times, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. Then yarn over the hook 2 times, insert the hook into the same chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Then yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop, pull through first loop. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. I will repeat the second complex stitch till the end of this round. Make a chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And continue working in this way till the end of this round by yourself. Then I will show you how to complete this round together. Let's complete this round together. This is the round 5. Let's complete this round together. Insert the hook into the top. And make a slip stitch. My 5th row is ready. Let's crochet a row 6. I'm going to make slip stitches. 1, 2, 3. Make a chain and single crochet into the same chain space. Then crochet the chain space. Chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Yarn over the hook. Then I'm going to do double crochet together. Make the first double crochet, then 2 and 3. Then yarn over the hook. Work into the next chain space. Make the first one not finish, make the second one not finish, and the third one. Well done. Then pull through all loops on the hook. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. Make single crochet into the same chain space. Chain of 5 for the chain space. Yarn over the hook. Make 3. Make double crochet 6 together. 1, 2, 2, 3. Work into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3. Well done. Pull through all loops on the hook. Make chain of 5 for the chain space. Make single crochet into the same chain space. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round together. Let's complete round 6. As I did before, I did chain of 5, then yarn over the hook, make double crochet 6 together. 1, 2, 3. Now work around the slip stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Pull through all loops on the hook. Make chain of 5 for the chain space. Well done. I skip the chain stitch. Insert the hook into the stitch. Make a slip stitch. Let's stop and look at my beautiful doily. But I need still to continue. Let's crochet the last round. It will be round 7. Work with trim. Make a slip stitch, chain, make 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and picot on the top of the last single crochet. Then 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. So continue working with this trim. Let's repeat one more time. make 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain of 3 for the picot. Work with the slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet and 3 single crochet more. 1, 2, 3. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete my beauty together. Let's complete this round together. So I insert the hook in my working loop. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Make a slip stitch. And as you can see, I have already cut off the yarn. And my amazing doily is completely ready. You can remove yarn to the back side. In this case also you can use the sewing needle to remove the yarn. So you should put long piece of yarn along the stitches. Let's look at the front side. It consists of only 7 rounds. One of them is complex stitches. Let's look at the back side. For this motif you can use any kinds of yarn and any crochet hook. You can use it like a coaster, doily, or you can create tablecloths. But in this case you should join such motifs together in large piece of work. Also you can create the clothes using this motif. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. And you can find a lot of video tutorials on my YouTube channel. There are a lot of links below the video, so please use them. See you in the next video. Good luck in crocheting. Bye! And please write comment below the video where you will use it and what you will get with my videos.